Kia ora koutou, nau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai. If you're arriving here now, welcome to the Wānanga Patua Te Taniwha. It's just all about helping each other to get into it. Instead of patu, it's not so much patu to smash that taniwha on your shoulder, it's to give it a hug, embrace those things that makes us shy in that, and just walk towards it and help each other out. This is called the Matariki reset. This is just a short, very short welcome to welcome you to this season, which is Hötoke, which is winter, 3 months. Pipiri, Höngongoi, Hereturikökā, June, July, August. In this period, we'll be covering Matariki, which is behind me. It'll be in-house here or online. It'll be Matariki. It'll also be Mihimihi. Kia ora whānau, ko te Umuariki ahau, just introductions, keeping it light, keeping it nice and easy. And then the last month, we'll take a little look at Pepeha. So once again, I said I'll keep it short. Welcome here, jump into it. Patua te taniwha of overcoming that shyness and make a start. Do your little written mihi in this section, and when you're ready, I'll give you the nod. Do your little video, and we're away. And Matariki only sets the beginning of the year, and this is your new beginning, halfway through the Gregorian year. So, tau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai, patua te taniwha, and I'll see you in there. Kia ora tātou.